In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a link in a cell in Google Sheets. If you're tired of pasting long, messy URLs into your spreadsheet, this quick method will help you keep everything clean and professional. Start by clicking the cell where you want the link to live. Then press Ctrl+K on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, use Command+. This opens a small link box that does all the heavy lifting for you. In the top field of that box, paste the full URL you want to use. Right below it, you'll see a place to type the text you want people to see in the cell. Instead of a long address, you can write something clear and friendly like "click here" or "project website." Keep that text short and descriptive so anyone scanning your sheet can immediately understand what they'll get when they click. When you're ready, press Enter or click Apply. The cell will now display your clean text, but it's fully linked behind the scenes. It looks tidy, it's easy to read, and your sheet instantly feels more polished. You can also link to other parts of the same spreadsheet. When the link box is open, look for the option labeled Sheets and named ranges. Click that, and you'll see a list of the tabs in your file. Choose the tab you want to jump to, like Sheet 2. This is great for building simple navigation in dashboards or directing teammates from a summary page to detailed data. When someone clicks that cell, they'll be taken straight to the tab you selected. Here's a nice touch. When you hover over any linked cell, Google Sheets shows a small preview card. For website links, you'll see a clean preview with the destination address, and for internal links, you'll see the sheet name. One click from that preview takes you exactly where you need to go. Simple, clean, and professional. A few quick tips to make this work even better. Use meaningful link text so people know what to expect, and double-check your pasted URL or selected sheet so there are no surprises. If you need to tweak the wording or destination later, select the cell and press the same shortcut again to update it. That's all it takes to turn cluttered links into clean, clickable labels right inside your Google Sheets cells.